Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick review and in-depth review about this VPN called Hotspot Shield. Let's get started. Hotspot Shield is like a smart shield for your computer or phone when you're online. It's a special type of app called a VPN which stands out for virtual private network. Think of it as a disguise for your internet connection. Using Hotspot Shield makes it seem like you are browsing the web from a different location, which can be helpful for several reasons. It can help you access websites or videos that might be blocked in your country. It also helps you online activities private. This means you can use this website to visit or what you want to do online. Hotspot Shield claims to be the fastest and the most secure VPN available. You can use this basic version for free, but Hotspot Shield Premium offer more features and faster speed. So talking about the key features about this platform, it comes with a wide range of features which make this platform stand out. As Hotspot Shield stand out with impressive features designed to enhance your online experience, and here are some of these best features highlighted, which is the fastest VPN. It's one of the best features, a military graded encryption, which is part of the features, and 105 virtual location, which is one of the best features, and the 10 device with one account, which is the best features, and dedicated IP address. I'm talking about the pricing plan. Just offer the two plan, which is a free plan and a premium plan. So that's it. You can also get back to the platform using the link in the video to access the plan and check which power or the plan would be a better option for you. So talking about the pros and cons, it comes with the very fast speed performance, a strong security features, a large server network together with a user-friendly interface, and the price are avoidable a little bit. Now talking about the downside, which is the console of this platform, which is a limited version. The limited version can be, really doesn't worth it. Some lagging practice, customer support issues reported recently on this platform, and that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. Thanks.